students, in my previous video I explained you the basic concept of chapter number 21 circle. Now we start our exercise 76, and in this exercise here we have to given a figure, and in this figure we have to write the name of the radius and the diameter. So firstly we write the name of the radius. So first of all, again I explain you that what is the radius. So radius is the constant distance from a fixed point to any point which is on the सर्कल, यानी कि सर्कल के ऊपर, सर्कल की बाउंड्री पर जो भी पॉइंट होगा उस पॉइंट का सर्कल के सेंटर से डिस्टेंस. नाउ इन दिस फिगर यू सी दैट योर फिक्स पॉइंट इज O, and on the circle boundary there are A, C, E, D and B. These points are on the circle. So first of all you have to take the fixed point name O, then you write all these points which lie on the circle, like OC, then OE, then OB, OD and OA. All these are the radius of the circle. Clear this one? Now we have to write the name of the diameter of the circle. Name of the diameter. So in diameter, first of all we know about the diameter. Diameter is a line which passes through the center of the circle, and it's all these two end points lie on the boundary of the circle. यानी कि उसके जो पॉइंट्स हैं, दो पॉइंट, टू एंड पॉइंट्स, वो सर्कल की बाउंड्री पर होंगे, एंड by these 2 points the line passes through the center of the circle. Now here you see that your this line AOB, AB line passes through the center of the circle. So name of the diameter of the circle is AB. Now here we see there is a one more line that passes through the center of the circle, and this line name is CD, because this CD is a straight line and it passes through the center of the circle. So this is also the diameter of the circle. And I also explain you the one more fact about the diameter. The diameter is the largest chord of the circle, and chord divide the circle into two equal parts. Now we do the next question. Now in next question we have to given the radius that is equal to 4 centimeter, and we have to find the diameter, and we know that diameter is the 2 times of radius. So we have to write the formula of the diameter 2 multiplied by radius. Here we have to given the radius that is equal to 4 centimeter, and when we multiply this radius with 2, then we get the diameter. So our answer is 8 centimeter. Clear this one? Now I explain you the next question, and in this question you have to given the radius, and with the help of the radius you have to find the diameter. Now we take one more part, and in this part you have to given the radius that is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Again we write the diameter that is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, and then we write 2 multiplied by 5.4, that is equal to 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So our diameter measurement is 10.8 centimeter, and this is our answer. Clear this one? Now I hope you understand this concept, that how we find the diameter with the help of the radius. Thank you and have a nice day.